The search begins for the abandoned and damaged Thomas train under this frozen wastage mountain.
The extraction zone is prepared above the abandoned and damaged Thomas train in the wastage mountain.
We're at 50 meters, keep the pressure steady. Copy that, maintaining speed.
Exposing the hidden, abandoned, and damaged Thomas train beneath. The frozen barrier breaks, revealing the abandoned and damaged Thomas train, submerged in wastage mountain waters.
Divers secure the abandoned and damaged Thomas train deep within the wastage mountain lake. The abandoned and damaged Thomas train emerges from the frozen wastage mountain after years of decay. Ice melts away, revealing more of the abandoned and damaged Thomas train recovered from the wastage mountain.
Careful lifting transfers the abandoned and damaged Thomas train from wastage mountain to transport.
Damage assessment begins on the abandoned and damaged Thomas train from the wastage mountain.
The load binders had to be tight. With the golden hour fading, every click of the ratchet secured the vintage engine for the long haul.
Now, British workers applied new engine with the help of chains in Thomas train, and also with attach.
The British workers are now removing the dirty right side body panels from Thomas the train.
The workers are now removing the dirty left side body parts. With the bolts loosened, the crane slowly lifts the side panel away.
The British workers set about removing the dirty dashboard panel from Thomas. It was a tough job, requiring specialized tools and a lot of elbow grease. Heavy corrosion remains on the abandoned and damaged Thomas train, ready for the next stage.
Inside, the abandoned and damaged Thomas train shows years of neglect from the wastage mountain.
This close-up reveals the extent of the decay. The insulation is brittle, the copper oxidized.
Breaking the seal on this bolt required maximum leverage, a testament to the engine's long abandonment.
Sandblasting cleans deep rust from the abandoned and damaged Thomas train.
The pressure washer carves through decades of rust and dirt, slowly uncovering the legendary blue coat of this industrial relic.
High-pressure cleaning.
Now British workers remove the side dirty body parts in Thomas train.
The high-pressure stream blasts away decades of grime, revealing the iconic blue paint beneath the heavy rust and corrosion.
The true structure of the abandoned and damaged Thomas train slowly appears.
Keep the pressure constant. The stress lines are fading.
Reading confirmed. We are within acceptable parameters.
Frame correction straightens the abandoned and damaged Thomas train. Internal systems of the abandoned and damaged Thomas train are restored.
How's the alignment on your side? Looks good. The contour is perfect against the boiler.
Move the rusted engine in Thomas train.
Removing the driver's cabin is a complex task, requiring precision and heavy machinery to lift the weighty structure. Irreparable sections of the abandoned and damaged Thomas train are removed.
Welding restores strength to the abandoned and damaged Thomas train.
Precision welding reinforces the abandoned and damaged Thomas train structure. Rust removal begins on the abandoned and
the surface of the abandoned and damaged Thomas train is restored. Fresh metal surfaces emerge on the abandoned and damaged Thomas train.
With careful precision, the rich blue envelops the gray primer, revealing the iconic shape beneath.
Here we see the iconic blue being meticulously sprayed, giving Thomas that signature mirror-like finish.
Precision assembly continues on the abandoned and damaged Thomas train. Connections rebuild functionality in the abandoned and damaged Thomas train. Electrical restoration begins on the abandoned and damaged Thomas train.
The old factory hadn't seen a living soul in decades. Yet, as the wind died down, she couldn't.
After years of silence, the old lock finally gave way. He pulled the chain, opening.
Light is merely a suggestion here. And in this forgotten place, some things are meant to stay lost in the shadows.
He emerged from the shadows, another forgotten relic in a place full of them. The old engine had seen better days, and so had the guard.
Beneath the heavy cloak of rust and time, a familiar face waited patiently. As decades of neglect etched into the surface, the rust tells a story of abandonment in this decaying factory. Once a symbol of childhood joy, now merely a ghost in the machine. Decades it has sat here. Once, this place was the engine of the county. Now, only ghosts remain.
After years of searching, the relic is secure. Beginning extraction protocol. Await further instruction.
The heavy machinery rolled in, signaling the end of an era for the forgotten plant. With this handshake, control officially transferred. The legacy of the old engine now rested in new hands. Change was silent, a necessary grease for the wheels of industry. The guard knew the drill. The worker just wanted access.
After decades of neglect, the legendary engine is finally being recovered. The operation is delicate, but the prize is worth the risk.
After 50 years rusting in the darkness, the massive crane finally began the painstaking process of lifting the forgotten engine.
The Thomas unit, heavily oxidized and long abandoned, finally begins its slow journey off the flatbed.
After decades of neglect, the old engine settles into the workshop. The weight of its history and the rust.
The roar of the transport signaled a new chapter. The once proud engine was heading toward an uncertain future.
Every sunrise out here feels like both an ending and a beginning. We just keep driving towards whatever comes next.
The desert sun beat down on the abandoned engine as it rumbled towards an uncertain future.
The arrival at the yard marks a new chapter for the vintage engine, a transition from abandonment to the possibility of restoration.
The journey across the wasteland was brutal. Every bump in the road threatened to shake the old engine apart, scattering its history across the sand.
Unloading a relic this size requires precision. The team is setting the supports now, hoping to have it secured before nightfall.
Decades of neglect have left the old engine vulnerable. Securing the main hoist requires precision and care amidst the decay. The first step was securing the chains. It was a heavy, dangerous job, but the crew was determined to move the derelict engine.
Already at Heslas. The extent of the corrosion was immediately apparent. The team began their meticulous assessment,
Decades of rust made the panel almost part of the frame. Finally separated, it revealed the heavily damaged interior beneath.
As the pressure recedes, the residual heat meets the water, creating this dramatic display of steam.
As we peer inside, the extent of the corrosion is startling. Layers of rust have replaced the familiar blue. As the corrosion takes hold, even the strongest components surrender. The metal fractures, sending a cloud of rust cascading into the still air.
The directional lighting highlights the lifting edges as the thick corrosion
In stark contrast to its dilapidated state, the dismantling process is methodical and precise.
As we meticulously sand the surface, the heavily rusted exterior gives way to the clean, smooth metal beneath.
With the outer shell finally removed, the skeletal structure of the old engine is revealed. This is where the real work begins.
Now, British workers attached new steel's wheel propeller in left and right side in Thomas Train.
Zilia. With the heavy wrench applied, the team works to free the massive bolts holding the side rod in place.
Now, British workers remove the dirty driver-side parts from Thomas the tank engine.
First, the heavy chains were attached. Then, with a mighty effort from the crane, the greasy side wheel was finally lifted away, revealing the axle underneath.
The first step in the restoration is always the most dramatic. As you can see, the angle grinder makes quick work of the corrosion.
Look at that shower of sparks. Each one is a tiny piece of history being scraped away, exposing the iconic blue paint underneath.
The structural repair phase is critical. Here we see the molten metal flowing into the cracked seam, restoring the integrity of Thomas's frame.
With the chain secured, the team begins the delicate process of lifting the damaged boiler clear of the chassis.
All right, steady lift now, keep her balanced.
The British workers are currently cutting and removing the wiring from the dashboard panel of the Thomas train.
Abandoned now for decades, the old engine rests within the silence. Only the dust motes dance in the light that breaks through the decay.
The restored Thomas train stands renewed and complete.
The abandoned and damaged Thomas train moves again with full restoration. The restored Thomas train moves forward with renewed life and purpose.
Inside the restored Thomas train, every detail is refined and complete.
A complete transformation brings the abandoned and damaged Thomas train back to life.
Okay, bring it slightly to the left.
Got it. Is that a line?
Looks good. Hold it steady.
Smooth motion is reintroduced to the abandoned and damaged Thomas train.
Mechanical repairs bring life back to the abandoned and damaged Thomas train.
Control systems return to the abandoned and damaged Thomas train.
Right, let's get this splendid engine underway. A quick pull on the whistle, and we're off to the races.
The team is hard at work installing Thomas's new dashboard. With a few final adjustments and a tip on the wrench.
Now again, the British workers reattach the top body of Thomas the train.
The final stage of restoration complete, the iconic blue livery gleams under the workshop lights. Every inch is flawless. Here we see the culmination of the project, the vintage Thomas the Tank Engine, fully restored to its original glory.
From rust and ruin to this immaculate finish, the transformation is finally complete, and the iconic number 1 shines brightly once more.
Behold the culmination of expert craftsmanship. Thomas returns to the rails.
After countless hours of dedicated work, the legendary Thomas the Tank Engine is complete, looking perhaps better than the day he was built.
As the doors slowly reeled, we step into a forgotten world. This massive structure, once decades of neglect wash away, revealing the heavily oxidized shell of what was once Thomas the Tank Engine. The water flows towards the drains,
With a plume of steam and a happy whistle, Thomas the Tank Engine enjoyed the scenic journey home as the day drew to a close. Look, it's Thomas. He's leaving the workshop now and heading outside into the sunshine.
The great city of Texas was bustling with excitement, and Thomas the Tank Engine was thrilled to be there. As the sun dips below the horizon, Thomas proudly chugs along, a true friend of the American landscape. Thomas sped along the shining rails, eager to explore the bustling Texas city that lay before him.
After applying the final coat of signature blue, the unit enters the drying phase. This controlled environment guarantees a mirror-like sheen.
After months of meticulous work, the restoration is finally complete. Thomas is once again the pride of the workshop.
Reinforcing the outlines and enhancing the small design elements like the trim lines ensures that the vintage blue surface truly shines.
Precision is paramount here. Every component must align perfectly before the final torque is applied.
Now, the detailing phase requires immense precision. As you can see, the eyebrows and eyes are carefully restored by hand.
The refurbishment required absolute precision. As the new harnesses and control modules were installed, the
final stage of reassembly requires the utmost precision. Here we see the heavy wheels being carefully lowered onto the freshly restored axle.
After months of meticulous work, the restoration is finally complete. Here we see number 1, Thomas, in his full glory.
As we pan across the fully restored Thomas, the high-intensity lighting reveals the flawless, mirror-like finish of the iconic blue boiler. And here we see the culmination of months of meticulous work. The final detailing is complete, resulting in this flawless, mirror-like finish.
This extreme close-up reveals the flawless finish of the Thomas engine. The glossy blue surface provides a mirror-like
Behold, the centerpiece of our collection. Thomas, completely rebuilt and ready for the spotlight.
The final stage of the paint process sees the glossy finish level out completely. The reflection sharpens, showcasing the...
Notice the flawless, mirror-like finish. The deep blue paint reflects the workshop environment with stunning clarity. The structural repair phase is complete. With newly welded joints and reinforced beams, the frame is now
bathed in the golden light of completion. The old engine stood serene and polished, a testament to the magic of careful restoration.
A culmination of countless hours. For this dedicated craftsman, seeing Thomas restored is more than just a job, it's bringing history back to life.
With the bodywork complete, the high build primer goes on. It's essential to get a smooth, even coat at this stage.
The final cleaning phase is crucial to achieving this mirror-like finish. Access always came at a price. The guard knew it, the worker knew it, and the worn bills passing between them sealed the silent agreement. The detailing phase demands absolute precision. As the pristine chrome components are seamlessly integrated, as you can see, the polishing phase is critical. We're removing the last imperfections, revealing a flawless, mirror-like gloss.
With the framework complete, attention turns to the exterior panels.
Once the heavy rust is neutralized, we move to the sanding phase. This block ensures an even finish, preparing the metal for its new coat of paint. With the sanding complete, the final layer of dust is wiped away, revealing the iconic blue underneath. Soon, Thomas will be ready for his new coat of paint.
With the structure reinforced, the team begins the delicate reassembly phase. These glossy panels require perfect With the frame fully restored, the team begins the delicate reassembly phase. The glossy blue panels see
the final coat of paint had dried. Thomas was whole again, a testament to the quiet persistence of one man.